Today, I am reviewing Lenovo LOQ Gaming Laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a powerhouse gaming laptop that can handle anything from high-end gaming to heavy multitasking, the Lenovo LOQ Gaming Laptop with AMD Ryzen 7 250 and NVIDIA RTX 5060 is one of the best options you can find right now. This model not only delivers raw performance, but also brings exceptional build quality, modern connectivity, and a thoughtful design that makes it a great choice for gamers, creators, and professionals alike. Let's talk about why this machine stands out. Starting with performance, the Lenovo LOQ is built around the AMD Ryzen 7 250 processor, an 8-core, 16-thread beast with a base frequency of 3.3 GHz and turbo speeds up to 5.1 GHz. That's serious processing power, enough to crush demanding AAA games, handle 4K video editing, 3D rendering, and run multiple heavy applications at once without breaking a sweat. Pair that with a massive 64 GB of DDR5 RAM clocked at 4,800 MHz, and you're looking at lightning-fast responsiveness and the ability to keep dozens of browser tabs, apps, and games open simultaneously. It's built for people who refuse to compromise on speed. Storage is another major highlight here. You get an enormous 4TB PCIe M.2 solid-state drive. This means instant boot times, blazing fast data transfers, and more than enough space for all your games, projects, and multimedia files. Whether you're a gamer with a massive Steam library or a video editor managing 4K footage, you'll never have to worry about running out of space. It's rare to see a laptop offering both high capacity and this level of speed in one package. When it comes to gaming and graphics, the Lenovo LOQ packs the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 GPU, part of the latest RTX 50 series. This graphics card delivers next-level ray tracing and DLSS support, providing realistic lighting, reflections, and frame rate boosts through AI-driven rendering. Games look stunning on this machine. Whether you're diving into Cyberpunk 2077, Call of Duty Warzone, or any of today's most demanding titles, you can expect smooth gameplay at high settings. The combination of the RTX 5060 and the Ryzen 7 ensures that your experience remains fluid, immersive, and lag-free. All that power is displayed beautifully on the 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display. With a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels, it delivers sharp visuals, vibrant colors, and wide viewing angles. The 100% sRGB color accuracy means your content looks true to life, making it great not only for gaming but also for content creation and design work. The panel reaches 300 nits of brightness and features a 144 Hz refresh rate, ensuring buttery-smooth visuals, reduced motion blur, and an overall more responsive experience. Whether you're competing in fast-paced esports or watching high-definition content, the display performs brilliantly. Now, let's talk about design and build quality. The Lenovo LOQ features a sleek, modern gray chassis that feels sturdy and premium without being too flashy. It's got a professional look that fits equally well in a gaming setup or an office environment. The backlit keyboard with a numeric keypad offers a comfortable typing experience with excellent key travel, making it great for both long gaming sessions and productivity tasks. You can even toggle the keyboard backlight with a simple function shortcut, perfect for low-light use. Lenovo has also included an impressive range of ports and connectivity options. You get one USB-C 3.2 Gen 1 port, 3 USB-A 3.2 ports, an HDMI output for connecting external monitors, an RJ45 Ethernet port for wired connections, and a headphone microphone combo jack. It also supports Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring faster, more stable wireless connections and lower latency during online gaming. Whether you're streaming, transferring files, or using Bluetooth peripherals, you'll enjoy smooth, uninterrupted performance. The included laptop cooler in this bundle is a nice touch, especially for gamers or creators who push their hardware hard. It helps keep the system's temperatures under control, ensuring that the CPU and GPU can maintain peak performance without throttling. Combined with Lenovo's efficient internal cooling design, you can expect consistent performance even during extended gaming sessions. In terms of software, this model runs on Windows 11 Home, bringing a clean and modern interface, improved performance, and a range of new gaming features like Auto HDR and Direct Storage, which help games load faster and look better. Windows 11 also supports Android apps and comes with a more organized window layout system, making multitasking easier than ever. The overall user experience is top-notch. The webcam quality is clear for video calls. The speakers deliver solid sound for both media and games, and the weight, around 5 pounds, strikes a good balance between portability and performance. It's not an ultrabook, but it's surprisingly manageable for what it offers inside. When you add everything up, the Ryzen 7 processor, RTX 5060 graphics, massive 64GB of DDR5 RAM, a 4TB SSD, a vibrant 144Hz display, and the inclusion of a laptop cooler, the Lenovo LOQ stands out as one of the most well-balanced high-performance laptops of its class. It's built for gamers who want smooth, immersive gameplay, for creators who need serious computing power, and for professionals who value speed, reliability, and premium design. If you're looking for a future-proof gaming laptop that won't slow down anytime soon, this Lenovo LOQ configuration is a solid investment. It's powerful, feature-packed, and versatile enough to handle almost any task you throw at it. Lenovo has done a great job balancing power, cooling, and comfort in this model, making it one of the best options in the current market for performance-driven users.